plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. Here m1 is the mass of any of the body. Suppose here, as it is a two body problem, means I am dealing with two bodies, that is the central mass of these masses and the central mass of this man. So I am dealing with two masses. In case of two masses, it is m1 x1, that is, suppose it is the combined mass of these two masses m1 into x1. x1 means the position of the central mass m1 x1 plus m2 x2. m2 is suppose the man, the mass of the man, and x2 is the position of the man, divided by the total mass. That means the combined mass of these two masses and the mass of the man gives the center of mass, or the location or the position of center of mass. Now suppose this is the center of mass of the man. I am presenting the center of mass of the man with the blue pen and the center of mass of the two masses with the red pen. Here, center of mass of the two masses. Now I had also mentioned in the question that the center of mass of the man, I mean the length of the legs of the man, the length of the legs of the man was 1 meter. That means the distance of the center of mass of the man from the rope is 1 meter. This is the rope, suppose this is the rope, and the center of mass of the man, is present 1 meter above the rope. So, as I mentioned, that the center of mass should be present just below the rope. That means the center of mass of the system, of the whole system, should be present at the distance of 1 meter. At a distance of 1 meter from the center of mass of the man. Now considering this as the origin, I am taking this in a graph. Considering this as the origin, this is 0. That means the center of mass of the man is present at 0. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now, the center mass of these two masses is present at a distance of, suppose, L from the center of mass of the man. And the center of mass of the whole system, I am presenting it with red, but not a filled circle. So the center of mass of the whole system is present at a distance of 1 meter from the center of mass of the man. That means I have got the position of center of mass, as I have taken a coordinate axis. So it is present at a distance of 1 meter from the center of mass of the man, and the center of mass of the man is located at the origin. So the coordinate of this center of mass of the whole system would be 1, 0, right? 1 is x and 0 is y. So here, as there is no projection along y-axis, so we won't be considering y, just consider x, that is 1. Now, as this is 0, so the position of the center of mass of the two masses will be present at a position L, at a distance L from this 0, that means at a position L. Now let's apply the formula. We know that m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2 equals to xcom, that is position of center of mass. Now placing the values of m1. Placing the value of m1. m1 means, as I mentioned, this is the mass of the, that is the mass of the mass of the center of mass of the masses. That means the setup that the man is holding. The center of mass or the mass of the combined two masses that he was holding with that setup. That is the M1. And I told in the question that he can lift a maximum weight of 80 kg. So M1 should be 80. M1 should be 80 into X1. X1 means L. L. It is present at a distance. It is present at L comma 0, right? L comma 0. Now we don't have to take 0 along y axis because we are dealing with x axis. So just take into L plus M2, mass of the man, that is 40 kg. 40 into. Now you may ask me, before I continue, you may ask me that he was holding two masses, right? And I mentioned the question that he can lift a maximum weight of 80 kg and he's holding two masses. So it should be 160 kg. The answer is no, because I told him the question that he can lift a maximum weight of 80 kg. That means if those are two equal masses, that means the setup that I was telling, this setup. This setup, this is M and this is M, and the combined mass is 80 kg. That means this should be 40, this should be 40, and here is the man who is holding this, and his weight is also 40 kg. So leave this. That is 40 into x2. x2 is what? x2 is 0. That means his position is located at 0 of the coordinate axis. x2 is 0. 40 into 0. Divided by M1 plus M2. 40 plus 80. What? 120. Equals to XCM, center of mass of the system. The center of mass of the system is present at 1 meter or 1 meter from the origin. That means 1. 1 equals to 1. Now